Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to show you how to install your under-seat storage bin for your U10 Pro. First thing we're going to do is take the bottom seat base off the passenger side. You just pull up on the rear of it and move it to the back and it comes out. The next thing you have to do is you have to temporarily remove your seat belt. You do that with a 14mm socket. Now you want to grab your seat base and put the driver's side, start it in first. Next you want to remove these two screws from the side of the pan. Take those out and then slide your lip underneath the plastic and tighten the screws. After that, you will remove the front screws and slide this tab under the plastic and then reinsert your screw. Now you want to reattach your seat belt and put your seat back on. Now your storage bin's ready to go and you're ready to hit the trail.